Alright, new day, new project. 2019 1LESS Camaro 6-speed manual. Blue metallic color, on the way to Copart to pick it up right now. Well, again, new Copart loading policies at this particular Copart because they're all different. I gotta follow the loader. Following the loader around to get the Camaro. Maybe taking a trip to Kentucky to get a front end. Messaging a guy right now. Hopefully it pans out. All right, loading the car next. I see it. Here she comes. Dang. Yes. Oh, they took the exhaust. Ooh, it is a 1L. Yeah, duh. First look. They took the exhaust. God, I hope they didn't take other crap. Not looking too bad. Dang, look at them brakes, dude. Dang it. I can't believe they took the exhaust. Get that on these insurance jobs. All right, looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. Okay, first look. Well, we got the Camaro back to the shop. I'm just gonna dive right in. Got a box for bolts. And yeah, man. Just gonna dive right into it. Well, that'll do it for the first little video of getting the Camaro home and doing a little just initial tear down and inspection. So I got lucky. These Camaros front frame sections and core support bolt in right there to the main frame rail. The main frame rail is straight. All the force of impact was on this little front subframe. So, that looks good. That's good news. Stay tuned for the next Camaro video.